All right, everyone, I'm here with another layout. It's going to be a Christmas layout called Holiday Cheer. So the background is Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings called Jolly Good Times. That red polka dot layer is Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings called Berry Burst. And that one I cut to about 8 3/4 by 7 1/2. But if you look in the description below, you will find a link to my blog, which has pictures and detailed descriptions of how I put together the layout. Pat, and I need to soak your bowl and clean your bowl too. I did both for Coco. Yeah, Coco, she had colitis. Oh, it had to be 8 months ago now. Was it 8 months ago, Coco? I know it was at least 6 months ago. I'm trying to think when she started having issues. It was after school, school had started, because it's not like her to lose control of her bowels in the house, and she was having accidents in the house, and so I knew something was wrong, and we would take her on walks, and well, her stools were not normal. So I took pictures and sent it to my vet. And so she told me what I had to do to try to get it cleared up. And so we put her back on dog food. Well, I've had her on human food because she said she could survive on that for the rest of her life if I so choose to. But it is a lot of work to make your own homemade dog food with rice. I do chicken, sometimes hamburger, with sweet potato and carrots. And it is a lot of work. I have to make it. Sometimes she goes through it every 5 days. Sometimes it's just once a week. But so I tried her back on sensitive stomach, put her back on her old food. That was okay. So I tried a different food, more for sensitive stomach, and it's nope. So I'm putting her back on rice. She's getting homemade dog food. And she is not at all upset about it either. That is her favorite thing. Yeah. She will, when she's hungry, she goes to the kitchen and whines because she knows that's where her food is prepared. It's kind of funny. Anyway, back to the layout. I feel sorry for her, but hopefully we can get her back to normal and her energy levels up. She's gonna be 7 and the energy of a puppy, so we play fetch and take walks. Oh, I said the word. So anyway, so I have that blue holly berry layer, which is from Hit Kit Club's holiday happenings called Holiday Holly. I'm going to use some die cuts, which are from Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings, as well as some puffy stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive product from the December 2017 kit. And yes, December 2017. During my Christmas break, I only had a few wintry layouts, so I put those to the side with the 2016 kit and said until I have more photos, I'm not doing the November 2016 kit. Then November 2017 came, then December 2018 came, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like, let me see. I think having now that I had Alex and then his son Mateo, my stepson, I have Christmas pictures for the past 2 years, so I had more than enough pictures now. And then my dad was here with us for about 6 months. He needed to come stay with us temporarily. And so we had Christmas with him. He made us, a really nice Christmas luncheon. Ham, mashed potatoes, green bean. I made green bean casserole, as I love green bean casserole. So mashed potatoes. We made gravy from the juices from the ham when we cooked it. We made rolls. I mean, it was pretty good. My dad did a fabulous job. So I have Merry and Bright and Holiday Cheer is Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings. And so I'm just putting all that together. I use the Merry and Bright just as an embellishment piece, but then the Holiday Cheer, I take that as my title, which was already, that's sticker sheet had already made up titles for you pretty much. But what happened is I already did a layout for Merry and Bright, and I was like, ooh, I can't do another one, and there's Merry and Bright, so that's why I decided to do Merry and Bright as just kind of subtitle, sort of, and then do Holiday Cheer as my normal. And which is funny seeing this because I just journaled all these layouts. I had stacks and stacks. I did a whole stack. Not this last. Yeah, it was my spring break. I did it this last week. And then I was like, oh, I'm done. And I was like, gosh, seems like I had more than that. And then I went and purchased cat litter and went to put that away. And I was like, oh, yeah, that's where they are. I put them in the little spot where I put the kitty litter. So I was like, oh, okay. All right, Ben. So now I have my holiday cheer down. So now I just have to put down my title, and then that is going to pretty much come. I don't think I do really too much more to this layout than what we see. Ow, pen. Do you want biggin? I found a really cool game on PlayStation. I forget the name of it, but it's kind of like Mousetrap, Tetris in one game. So when Mateo's at practice right now, they're doing a program for their logos at the church. So, and they perform on Tuesday. So I am going to that for him, and then so he's at practice right now till 5. So I have to go get him in about 30 minutes or so. So he's super psyched about that. So I added some twine from the Twinery to the tags, which I haven't used in forever. And I did one red and one green. Just add some fiber to the layout. During my Christmas break, I tried to use things that I had not used in a long time to scrapbook, and that was my Sizzix and my embossing folders and my twine I used. I wanted to try doing some ribbon because I have a drawer 2 drawers of ribbon. You know how we are. We just have to have it, and then we don't use it. So, anyway, so that pretty much completes my layout now that I have those down. And when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.